You can also, I mean, crazy time, 10x TOPSLOT.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
1,000 for luck, 2,000 for Migo, and 1,100 for Victor. Funny not funny, back-to-back tens. Why not? Why not? Okay. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. Pum pum pa-da-da-dum, dum pum pa-dum pa-dum pum pum. 2x on pachinko, whoa 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 whoa, pow! Pachinko. 2x from TOPSLOT. Let's go. Alright, this will be 6, this will be 10, 14, 20, 30, 40, 50, 200. Can we times 2 the double as well? Nah, not that easy. At least we have 200. At least we got 200. Or maybe we can double it and get 400. YOLO. You only pachinko once? Or maybe twice if it's a double. Okay. So let me check what do we have over there. 200. Please.
This is the amount of money issued, 887,751 euros.
Money! More than 8,500 of you who got the money. 33,000 for Victor, 23,000 for Luck, and 18,000 to Edwin. Kaboom! Barbara Streisand.
45, what is last week done? Zad, kan kaart, dat is all. No command, you can answer that Zad, beautiful 409. Let's roll. Look the black and block on, look and block on, zero. Chicken in the corn, so the corn can't go. Yeah. Chicken in the corn, so the corn can't go. Yeah. Look and black and block on, look and block on, look and black and block on. Oh, tell me what's running is TOPSLOT. Yeah. Hello. Brushy one string, you know what's up, Helixon? You know what's up? Look and pluck and pluck on, look and pluck on, you're nuts?
This is the amount of money issued, 554,845 euros.
Lovely, is that? Beautiful, wonderful, 200, yeah, lovely. Wow! 4,556 money times now, Migos, oh, as Adam Field, can answer out these Migo, beautiful 14,000 buckaroos, enjoy. Yacht Queen. Hike the third. Mr. Nice Guy? What do you mean, Mr. Nice Guy? Hey, I'm rude, I'm awful, I'm terrible. What do you mean, nice?
Friendship, we can overcome all obstacles. 4,209 winners. Plume top winner, 3.4,000. You know what, guys? Maybe the real crazy time was the friends we made along the way. Happy Monday. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not saying that again. Okay, spin is good luck. 7x on Crazy Jump. And then you can swim into my money safe. Your money safe? Oh, it's like the, Yo! Please! No, don't do this! That was so close! I got scared. Okay, Crazy Time. Guys, we're getting the money safe. Follow me. Did you see? That was so close to a 1. Bro, I was about to lose it, man. I was about to lose my cool. I was about to lose my marbles, guys. But we got it. We saved. And Mr. Bonus, that's the best. 7x TOPSLOT. Let's go. Okay, so all the multipliers have been multiplied again with 7x. That's pretty awesome, to say the least. Okay, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. And then we're gonna make the spin. So, yeah. If you don't make a decision, Autopic will choose one for you. Oh man, I'm sweating over here. Is it just me or is it hot in here? Woo! Okay, 700 is the max multi. Let's go! 105 on green and blue. We getting that double on yellow, baby. Hey, yellow team, where you at? Woo! Okay, 1.4 thousand max multi. Come on, baby. Second time's the charm.
This is the amount of money issued 682,855 euros.
On yellow. Woo, woo, woo. $8,894 winners. Gustav, top winner, $35,000. Dola with the 10.6 thousand. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. We are so back. Time for the spin. Crazy time, bros. We are so back right now. Let's go, baby. Okay, spin is made. Good luck. Guys, don't forget to cash out your winnings.
8 euros and 50 cents on top of that. That's beautiful betting time. Now wide open, everybody. And all right, so far you're doing pretty decent. We have 2 crazy times and 2 coin flips. But we have 2 more bonus games that we want to get so we can go Queen style. I want it all and I want it now. Or straight up Pokemon style. Catch them all. 5x on crazy time. Hey, that sounds fun. That sounds quite a lot of fun. Don't you think? I believe so, at least. So it would be nice to get. Ladies and gentlemen, that fun just became tangible, everybody. Hey, who said crazy time with a top slot? I did. Let's go. Get in, everybody. Get in, guys. Beautiful. And we have a 5x surprise on this one, ladies and gentlemen. 3rd time's the charm. Let's test out the theory. All right, 5x. Apply to the wheel, folks. Beautiful. B-E-A, beautiful stuff right here. And now, most important part of everything, decision time, guys. Yellow like an egg yolk is going to be blue like an ocean, or still green is always 4th and nicest, guys, all right? Now the biggest multiplier on the wheel that we have is 500x. Good luck, everybody. All right, folks, 250 for yellow, 125 for blue, for green, double the blue one up. Incredible, folks. Let's go. Double the blue one up. That's what, 1,000 on the board. Let's go get it, folks.
This is the amount of money issued 784,931 euros.
$2,011 players picked the yellow one, getting a 250 on it. Beautiful. 7,257 winners in total. That was beautiful, folks. Betting time is yours. Don't forget about auto play and bet on all. And guys, 3rd crazy time this session with the top slot 5x. Not the highest top slot by any stretch of the imagination, but still 5x. Pretty nice.
This man doesn't even know what he is. 2,288 winners national. This man doesn't even know what he is. Was it here? Now? When was it? What was it? Who was in the walls? Good luck. Hello. Crazy time, 2x top slot. That is loud. Jeez. Alright. Crazy time, 2x top slot. Let's go. We're back. Hello. Picking time. Green, blue, yellow. $400x highest, enjoy.
This is the amount of money issued 555,773 euros.
$1,000 something, 52 something of you with 400x. Nice. Anyway, a lot of you. Well done. I think it was 1,252 of you. Yeah, that's right. Lovely. Enjoy. 3,919 National Snoop Dogg, BRK, Harvest, Snoop Dogg, Beautiful 956. Or Mordekaiser. He's simple. Mord is simple. Yeah. Enjoy your time. Let's roll. You can also, I mean, Pachinko 25x TOPSLOT. You can always take, what was his name? Ivern? You can always take Ivern. Hey, yo, guys, guess what? Big win time. 25x TOPSLOT. Pachinko. Here we go. Hey, look at this tickling pickles. Guys, don't spam the chat. I'm talking about League of Legends. Oh my god. 10s, 15s, 20s, 25s, 40s. And 25 on top. Got ourselves the biggest as the 1000x. Hey, I mean, everything's gold. Honestly, if we even hit the lowest, it's still better than the average Pachinko. Well, let's hope for the big old buckaroos, but let's see how it goes. You know, I'm not gonna say anything.
This is the amount of money issued 979,815 euros.
Yeah! Did that just happen? No, it's just all a dream. 5,836 winners.
Because you don't need to buy the toilet paper, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you see 5-0. That was insane, right? 5-0. No, Frimpong, Schick was not playing actually from the beginning. They had some rest, but Xhaka and all the other guys made everything crazy. Best day in Bayern right now, yeah? Crazy sound it took to the flat, and we already got it here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Where do you find all the vegetables? At the cemetery. Hey, double! Ladies and gentlemen, this is time. This is a good catch. Normal Daki. Let's go, guys. See you there. Woo! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, husband. You're welcome. Let's go. Crazy sound attacks to the planet. We already got it here. Double. 2x crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, first batch 500. This is the moment. I'm always telling, it's all about the timings, guys. Now we need to choose the multipliers. We are eating these multis on a breakfast, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Woo! Are you ready? It's time to spin it, but first of all, guys, let's go! Everybody! Woo! Woo! Easy double on a blue, 30x on a green and yellow. Double on a blue, it's already 4x on the flat because we had a double before, guys. 4x, double blue. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, everybody. Mr. Beast, is that you, Kane? Better than Beast. This is a Mr. Best, Mr. Animal, ladies and gentlemen, in the house, and it's another double on a blue flopper. 800x is a max win, ladies and gentlemen, here right now. Smashing it! Let's go!
This is the amount of money issued 1,457,907 euros.
Let's go! Let's go, everybody! Guys, 8,000 winners, 800x. Blue flopper, congratulations to everyone, guys. Legend!
That's a John 3 Bloom, lovely 682. Press the blue. Let's roll. Crazy time, 10x TOPSLOT. Hey, look at that. Crazy time with 10x TOPSLOT. I'm just going to be like the nice version of FBI, open up and up. All right, let's go. All you boys and girls, got a 10x on TOPSLOT. All right, picking time, boys and girls. Thousand X highest, enjoy. All right, double up for the Blues. Blues for the clues. Ready for it? Got 2,000 X highest, enjoy. Let's make that a 4,000x. I don't think it's enough. Yeah. How about we drop a triple as well? Why not, you know? Anyway, 4,000x highest. Enjoy.
This is the amount of money issued 1,410,619 euros.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.